Well, hello everyone. Today on Rockets Junk, we're going to look at some of my launch ground support equipment. And what I like to do is I like to repurpose these camera tripods. And these you can pick up for almost pennies on the dollar at a thrift store. And I have several. And now with the digital age upon us, more and more of these camera tripods will show up. Even though you can mount a digital camera on them, instead I've converted this to launch rockets. Now I have this special unit here which takes this connector, which is threaded to fit on the mount. I think it's like a 5/16 or something like that. This is actually a unit that's offered through a mail order online business out of Oviedo, Florida, of all places. Now, you could probably, if you have someone who has a drill and tap set, you might be able to put in a tap, put in this thumb screw, which is here. We've mounted a 1/8 inch stainless steel rod. Now, you can pick these up at metal supply outlet or store, and for a nominal fee they'll cut it to size for you. This came with this washer. Now, not all of your tripods may have a working spindle for mounting the camera. In that case, we go over to this one. I found this tripod at a thrift store not far from a former Air Force base in Oscoda, Michigan. What I've done is I've taken a piece of wood and mounted it, screwed it to this plate here, and I've drilled it for 1/8 inch, 3/16 inch. I think that's like, gosh, what's that? 4.4 millimeter and 5 millimeter. I'm not sure, but we painted it with grill paint to keep the scorching to a minimum. And with that, well, one reason we do this before I close out is safety factor. It gets the launch platform off the ground and minimizes the risk of eye injury. Some of these starter sets, you got kids bending over and poking their eyes out. Not a good thing. And with that, we return you to the Fun Day Pop Show.